Ron from Missouri City's full of hot air.
Well, he says his garage is. It's kind of a heat trap.
Nice.
Ron writes, I'm considering an attic fan to pull air through the garage and out through the ridge vents and creating air movement as well. That's his idea. Well, if not that, how about a fan on the outside of the garage on the wall to pull the air out? Tom, how can Ron keep cool?
Ridge vents aren't enough exhaust for a forced air fan. So we need to have a bigger hole, and I think the wall fan is a better idea. But when air goes out, air's got to come in, so you have to have an intake and an exhaust. You'll burn the motor up in the fans. But as far as putting it in the attic and thinking the ridge vent's going to have enough, It's too small. It's meant for slow-moving air, not forced air. So simple enough is if you're going to cool yourself off and you want to be in the garage, put a wall fan unit in there, just like they do in big shops, welding facilities.
Big fans.
With the big louvers that open and close. I mean, that's what you're talking about.
Your neighbors in the HOA will love that.
Well, put it in the back.
Okay. Do you have a question? Don't put it out back. Put it in your email. Send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer it here in these videos, just like these ones over here. And if you subscribe to our channel, you'll get alerted when there's a new one.